troops, what is up and welcome back to my channel, it's your boy JR. So for today's video, we are going to Mandaue for the reopening of Cebu WaterWorld, or WaterWorld Cebu. It's one of the biggest and one of the most famous water park here in Cebu, guys. So yes, we're gonna check it out, and I'm with my girlfriend, guys. And we're gonna be spending our weekend there. It's actually Sunday today, and
it's Easter Sunday.
Yeah, Easter Sunday. This is going to be another fun activity, and it's currently 11:30 in the morning. It's quite hot, and we're just walking right now because there's no public transportation here. It's a private road, I think. And a special thanks to Mame Ann of My Food Mercado for inviting us here. Thank you very much, Mame. We're certainly gonna enjoy this day because, as what I have read in their Facebook page, they have over 20 slides and rides there. So right now here in the footbridge, guys, somewhere here in Marcelo Fernan Bridge, second bridge of Lapu-Lapu in Mandaue. We rode a bus from Compostela from the north going to Total here in Mandaue, and from there you're gonna take 10 to 15 minutes walk towards WaterWorld Cebu. So guys, as what you guys can see here, they really follow safety protocols. First, you need to sanitize your hands using alcohol and hand sanitizer, and then they're gonna check the temperature, and of course, you need to wear a mask. Oh, so let's go, guys. First will be the temperature check. Then sanitize our hands. After that, you need to sign here their logbook, and also you need to sign their waiver and assessment here. You can read this one and fill this one up, and after that, submit it to the staff, and you're good to go. Here in this section, they're gonna check your bag for safety purposes. So you're just gonna put your bag here, and then the staff is gonna check what's inside your bag. And after that, guys, we're now ready to get our tickets in the ticket booth, so that we will now be enjoying our stay here in WaterWorld Cebu. So let's go, guys, and join us. Come on. That's it, guys, we're already inside, and now we only have the meal coupon for later on lunch. Yes, guys, we're finally here inside in WaterWorld Cebu. Okay, 500 sa inclusive the 500.
Entrance lang na siya.
Okay.
Ma-access ka sa kanang rides. Na kung gusto ka mukaon, ma'am, buka ka wristband kay ako pagbayad pamagi naman sa wristband. I-load lang yung imong money dito, then palit ko dito ako ra itap sa cashier. Yeah. If ever na sobra ang imuhang wristband, mabalik ra nimo. Pila man sa dang wristband? Depende nimo mo, pila man sulod mo. Load siya. May-refund ang sobra. Ngaro siya yung safety deposit na 100.
So, ang katong 500 pesos, karon na siya naman sa promo ninyo na kuan.
Karon nag-promo mi karon, sir.
So, inclusive na siya sa rides, no? Sa rides ug sa tanan. Yes, guys, we're now inside here at WaterWorld Cebu, and right now we're going to be having our shower so that we can now proceed to the slides they have here. So yes, guys, let's go and join us in this very wonderful experience here at WaterWorld Cebu. So guys, we're now about to try their slide, one of their highest slides here in WaterWorld Cebu. Yes, guys, we removed our mask because we're about to get wet. Look at that, guys. So we need to secure 2 flat boats for both of us so that we can see the slides. Let's go, guys! Oh my goodness! going higher right now, guys. We're proceeding to the family size slide. So here we go, guys. So guys, we're now gonna try their family size, or what they call roller family coaster. Yes, let's go. Hindi ka nagmakala, guys. Hindi makadaos kuya, guys.
Nalog ka!
Nahugbog. Nataro pa sa salpapida. Alright. So how was it?
So fun.
So fun.
It's fun.
So fun, so good. Guys, we're now done with the family size slide. Now we're proceeding and we're going higher and higher as we try the loop slide. Okay. Let's go! Woo! Woo! Oh guys, oh my god! Oh no! Oh my goodness! My back actually hurts, guys. I think I'm gonna have burns on my back. What I highly suggest, if you guys want to try this ride, you should wear a rush guard because you might burn your back if you're not gonna be wearing a rush guard. It really hurts right here, my back. So yes, guys, that was a hell of a ride. So we're gonna try another slide. We need to secure this one. I think this one is for safety purposes, and you know it's really hot. It's the sun is real scorching hot right now, so we really need to secure a rubber mat or whatever you call this one, so that we'll be protected from the heat.
Let's go, guys!
So in this portion, they have a slide for kids, and then we're gonna go upstairs. I think upstairs is going to be a more challenging slide because it's really high, guys, and the height is really intense. So guys, information lang, no? Every 30 minutes pala, may nagko-close na rides and may nag-open na rides at the same time. So yun guys, magtatanong lang kayo sa mga lifeguard kung alin yung rides na available and dun kayo mag-proceed and mag-slide. So guys, we're gonna be trying their slides sa kids, guys. Kay balik bata na karon, guys. So tara. Tara, babe. Tara, babe. Let's go! Balik bata. Pahay ka mo mga tail, guys, ya.
Two hours later.
Yes guys, I think I'm gonna end my vlog here, but before anything else, just a short recap about the details here. They are open at weekends, month of April and May. And also guys, the 500 pesos is already included with the rides and the slides, guys, na you can enjoy. And yes guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to drop us a like down below. And if you haven't subscribed to her channel and to my channel yet, please do by clicking on that subscribe button below and subscribing to our channel. Her channel is Daisy, that's DAYSEE.
Yes, guys.
And mine is this one, this channel. So please subscribe, guys, and become a part of our ever fast growing YouTube family by clicking on that subscribe button below. Thank you guys once again for watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next travel video. Bye!